Dami naman. Hanggang 3 lang. 1, 2, 3, smile! Saturday, it's January 21. So, ngayon is 6:50 AM. Ayan, hinihintay ko na lang yung brother ko kasi sabay kami pupunta ng school. Kasi may class din siya, tapos ako may class din. Although, magkaiba kami ng school. So, ayan. So, first day today nung master's class ko. So, bumubulong ako kasi tulog pa si Pablo siya si Kenneth. So, ayan. Papakita ko lang ng mabilis yung laman ng bag ko. Yung mga dadalhin ko today. Ito, Starbucks planner. Kasi if ever may mga schedule na kailangan i-note. And then, itong notebook from Typo. And then, ito yung bag na gamit ko today. Hindi na ako nagpalit. Tinamad na. So, ayan. Yung sunglasses ko. Kasi pag outdoor, since kakalisig lang. So, ayan. Itong kit. Ayan, power bank. Pointers. And then, yung mga card ko. Ayan ang charger. Tissue. Ayan, ID. So, that's it. Yun lang yung mga dala ko today. And then, itong camera. Dadalhin ko today. Dami naman. Hanggang 3 lang. 1, 2, 3, smile!
1, 2, 3, 4, smile! 10, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Oh, alam mo pag recording Pagpalabas. Yan na, yupi.
Sa kabila kong kunin.
Same.
Baka magalit siya. Binayaran niya, wala yung pagkain. Oh,
you give the money,
Hi, ma'am. Sa inyo po yung dalawang cheeseburger na may mac chicken po. I give money.
Gagalit siya. Fries. Where's my fries? Ask them. Where's my fries, please? Ulan. Yeah. Gusto mo may nakita pala ako. 3,099.
You choose.
Papunta ka na dyan.
Oh, thank you.
Binigay niya kasi sa kanila.
Blow. Oh, dali ha. Sing ha. Okay. Isa ta. Ay.
Fire.
Yun. Okay na. Sing.
Okay, sing ka na. Blow mo na, blow.
Careful ah.
Blow na.
Yeah. Fires. Papa. Fires. Papa.
Fires. With an S and...
Fires! Dalawa eh. Fires. Okay, dalawa. Dahil may S, dalawa. Woohoo! Okay!
Yay!
Ito may magic dyan.
kami. Ayun si Pablo naglalaro. Hi!
Hi.
Hi!
Car.
Oh, you show them your car. What's that? Wow! It's nice naman. Wow! Oh, you show them. Put it here. Oh, it's not moving. Oops. There. So, yan. Bagong toy niya yan kasi galing kami ng Capital Commons kanina sa Estancia. So, bumili rin kami ng Estancia.
Hi.
Hi! So, bumili kami ng storybooks niya. Yan.
Amelia, subok.
Oh, storybooks! Ayan, kasi nahihilig siya ngayon sa storybooks.
And mommy.
Are you sure what's
Look.
that?
And mommy. Yeah. Where's it start?
Okay.
Hi.
Hi! So, that's it for this weekend's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!
Bye.
Say bye!
Bye.
Good night! Good night! Say good night. So, if you want to know how I did this look, please keep on watching. So, yeah. Kapag moisturizer na ako, 2 years at least. So, ang